Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So right here, I got the SKG 4098, and this is a smart neck massager. You may have seen my review of it. Now, what I've heard actually from the manufacturer is that people are buying this and they're actually returning it a lot because they feel like it's pins and needles when they put this on. So I told the manufacturer, I said, let me jump in here and just create a quick review because I thought it worked really well based on the TENS technology. Now, I've used other TENS products, for my back that have the pads, and you may have seen those reviews too. And yes, it can feel like little pulses of electric or sometimes pins and needles. And while I was expecting it, I understand that some people may not be used to that. Now with this, you can set the different intensity levels on here. So it looks almost like a headphone, but what you do, you set it right on here, and those metal pads on the back actually sit on your neck. Now you're going to want to make sure that your neck is clean, but they also do recommend that it's also, a little moist to make the, the electric or electro, I don't even know, the TENS technology actually work a little better. Now they also do include in the box something that you could put on this to cover this a little bit. It comes with a gel and some pads that go over this, and sometimes that will make it a little less intense. So you could use that. Or you can control it here on the remote to make it less intense and then go up to the different intensity levels. So you should expect to feel that kind of sensation a little bit. And if it's too much over the top, you have to lower it. The other thing I heard from some people that actually tried this one out was that the heat level was a little high, but that also here can be controlled right on the remote. So keep that in mind when you're using this system. So if you get it, no need to return it. Just keep in mind before you purchase it that you're going to feel those little electric pulses kind of going into your neck and the muscles to help loosen everything up. And that's really how this works. So that's the SKG 4098 Smart Neck Massager. And honestly, any other brands that are this type of technology are going to do exactly the same thing. And I really thought that the different intensity levels that are available through this, they can go from very minor to also very high. So you're going to want to find that happy medium. So there it is. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.